Unlock your next adventure on Ubisoft without a credit card using the power of Paysafecard. First, ensure you have a Paysafecard voucher with sufficient funds for your desired game or in-game content. You can purchase these at various retail locations or online. Once you've found the perfect title on the Ubisoft store, whether it's a new release or an add-in, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll see a list of available payment options. Locate and select Paysafecard from this list. After selecting Paysafecard, a secure pop-up window or a redirection will appear, asking you to input your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. Carefully enter the PIN from your Paysafecard voucher into the designated field. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your PIN, click the Confirm or Pay Now button to finalize your transaction. And just like that, your purchase is complete. The game or content will now be added to your Ubisoft account, ready for you to enjoy. Paying with Paysafecard on Ubisoft offers a secure and convenient way to expand your gaming library. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!